Going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for joining me, joining us, our little community we got going on here. It's growing pretty steadily. It's an awesome thing. So I was gonna have a bug video up yesterday, but I had an issue with I have a new computer. Basically, I messed it up. So while I learn my new computer, we're gonna do a restoration. Under a 10-minute video. We're just right now. This is my body hammer. Well, one of them. This it needs a little bit of love, and I was doing a little work, and the top flew off. So we're gonna pull the wedge out of here and make sure we can still use this handle, and we'll clean it up. We'll clean this up really nice and shiny. I don't see a maker's mark, but we might see one after the fact. So let's hit up the wire wheel, then we'll do the fiber wheel, and then we'll go from there and see what we need to do. If you could, click subscribe, and we'll get to it. Okay, so I want to try something a little new, for me anyways. The handle, I like to keep the original handle if I can. It's got some issues, but I think it'll be okay. It seems pretty sound. You know, it's not bending or giving in any way. It's got a little crack here where the wedge went. I do have the piece of wood, so we're going to try and put that back in there when we put the wedge in. But we're going to try and, I think it's called burnish, where we, I think it's burnish, or varnish, or burnish, I don't know. But basically, I'm going to try and stain it with fire. So let's take a look, and we'll do that. Put a glove on, that's kind of toasty. I did sand it first. I hit it with a scuff pad. This is like, I think 300 grit, they consider this, 320, somewhere around there. So we just smoothed it out, lightened it up a little bit, try and even it out. Then we're gonna hit it with boiled linseed oil. And then we'll put the top back on. So let me do that, and then we'll show you the finished product. So I think it turned out great. It's a mirror finish. This will get used all the time. Sorry, I got fingerprints all over it. It's the only thing that sucks about when you finish it like this, you kind of get fingerprints. Plus I already put wax on it. The wedge went in there good. There's a little piece that was cracked off. I'll trim this down, but I'm going to wait until the glue dries. So let me know if you like the finish on the handle. I'm going to put some more oil on it and then we'll let it sit. We'll do it again. Like usual. I did not find a maker's mark. It looks like a maybe like mid-century body hammer. I think the newer ones, the other ones I have, they use fiberglass handles. So this one looks to be, and it is hard. When I was trying to, you know, clean out these nicks, they did not want to come out. But I got most of them. It's definitely going to get used though. This will probably be the most used hammer. If you could, like, comment, subscribe down there. Click the subscribe, and I'll put some videos up. And let me know if you like this little hammer. I dig it. I think it's cool. If you need to kill some zombies, that's the way to do it also. But I will see you guys on the next one. And girls, thank you for watching. And we'll do a little video of this here in a second. Thanks again.